Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. And in the previous video we discussed about the no code, and in this video we got into depth under the what is no code and what is no code and the difference between no code and low code. No code is a typically based and to create the tactical apps to hand simple, and is the way the low code is also similar, but there is similar advantages those who can better than the low code. Now we consider low code can be useful in the no code cases also, but it also create application additionally, and it is a critical that run processes in a business or an organization core systems such as definite integrations and digital transformation techniques. Both no-code and low-code platform provides a visual IDE, pre-built components and templates, and the integration out-of-the-box capabilities to accelerate the app or web development. Although the low-code platforms, it removes the development complexity and by allowing the users to build an applications using drag and drop functionalities, and some coding knowledge is highly recommended. Essentially, 5 characteristics differentiate the low code and no code. Those are technical expertise, customization and flexibility, scalability, development speed, and use cases covered. For example, in the case of low code, there are some more platforms are more suited to the business and case management solutions rather than the modernizing legacy IT system. Here, no code is the easy to use platform and empower the business users to create the developmental and departmental apps to relieve IT backlogs. In low code, augment developer productivity so that they can focus on the more strategic projects, and as this way free IT from the keeping the lights on. And now we are having one doubt, that are low code and no code have future to the app development? The short answer is yes. The increasing pressure for organizations to accelerate the digital transformation journey has led to unprecedented tension for IT as their backlogs and continues to pile up. And the qualified development technique and talent is scarce. So it's not surprising that the big analyst firms like Gartner predicts the low code or no code in the market. In this way, low code and no code are differentiated in some both different unique ways. Thank you.